Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can convert a MP4 file into MP3. So for example, if you see in my desktop I have a video MP4. If I open it in VLC media player, as you can see it is a video, it has some sound, so I am gonna make it MP3. So let's see how I can convert it into MP3. So for that I'm going to close it. I'm going to go to start. I'm going to open VLC media player. Okay, you can download it from their website, it's free. Okay, after coming to VLC media player, you have to click on media, then you will see an option called convert or save, and click on here. Okay, here you have to select the file location. Here, as you can see, my file is in desktop, my MP4 file. Okay, select this. Okay, then click on convert and save. Okay, here you will see an option. Okay, as you can see, here you see an option called, okay, first option is profile. Okay, you have to choose it, audio MP3, and the destination is means where I want to make it the MP3 file. So I am selecting it in my desktop, then selecting the folder. Okay, here I am writing mp3.mp3. okay, so you can give whatever name you want to see, but the last these options .mp3 is permanent, it can't be changed. Okay, then save. Okay, now start the convert. As you can see, the file has been, okay, then click on overwrite. Okay, as you can see, the file has been created successfully. Okay, now open it. Okay, just open it in KM player. So if I open it in VLC media player, okay, open it in VLC media player. As you can see, the file is converted successfully in MP3. Okay, if you go to the properties of the file, okay, here as you can see, this is audio file MP3. So this is how you can convert a MP4 file into MP3. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.